If you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in how to connect your phone to your Honda vehicle using Android Auto. I'm going to show you how to do that today. First thing, you want to make sure you have the Android Auto app downloaded. Number two, you want to go ahead and come over to your device and make it discoverable. And the way that you do that is clicking the home button there, and you're going to go over to your General Settings tab. Then you'll go into Connections, and we're going to manage device connections. All right, I'm going to connect new device. I'm going to bring my phone up here so that you can see it. Go into Settings, and then that goes into Connected Devices, and then Pair New Device. And right there, Honda Accord has shown up. I'm just going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to pair on my phone, and that will pair my device there. I'm going to allow it access to my Bluetooth and everything. Would you like to set this as a priority device? Sure, yeah. Android Auto information. Would you like to enable Android Auto for Pixel 7 Pro? Yes. And what I want to do in order to activate Android Auto, down here at the bottom left of the screen, you're going to see Android Auto. Just going to click on that. Now I have access to my Google Maps, my Spotify, my phone calling apps. If I want to make text messages or phone calls, I can do that there. I can do Google searches, and I have a push to talk button here on my steering wheel, so I can do all of that without touching my device. In fact, what's really nice about this Honda Accord that I'm in, it has wireless charging. So I'm wirelessly charging my device and wirelessly connected to the car. No messy wires, everything's there at my fingertips and at my voice command. So hopefully that answered your questions, but if you do have other questions about this, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section. We'll make sure to ask a salesperson and get you the right answer. If you'd like to come in and see this vehicle for yourself, you can come see us. We're right off Route 30 in Greensburg at Smail Honda, or visit us online at smailhonda.com. Until next time, guys, enjoy the ride.